Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix wallpaper gets darker in dark icon in iPhone 17 here. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26.0. After the checking, go back to home screen and click and hold any app, and you will see second option is edit home screen. So click on edit home screen. Now here click on edit. Second option is customize, so click on customize. Now here, so if you want to fix wallpaper that gets dark in darker icon, so you will see this wallpaper icon. So click on darker and more darker and lighter and more lighter. So click on darker shade. So after the process, click on screen. Now here you will see wallpaper is darker. So that's how you can fix wallpapers gets darker in dark icon on iPhone 17 here. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.